Hello my friends, I'm glad to see you again. Today I will tell you about my winding machine that I usually use for making clones of vintage humbuckers. But at first, here are some important notes. I decided to shoot videos with two languages, Russian and English. It will be better for everyone. So if you're watching this video and don't understand language, click here on this link and it will open a video with your native language. This is how my winder looks like. Now it looks a bit close to my metal lathe. I mean, it has the same parts. Main parts are made in the United States by Modutone. Motor is powerful enough, with 24 volts and has direct connection to spindle. Rotary speed is controlled with this knob, from 0 to 1800 rotations per minute. By the way, motor can be started with any speed. You can save several programs of winding where you can indicate a number of turns, sense of rotation and speed. Very important part of this tool is Gauss meter. It allows to measure a volume density of magnetic pole strength of a magnet and define polarity. I use it a lot to thoroughly select magnets for pickup and determine if it needs additional charge. If a charge is needed, I magnetize magnets between two strong neodymium magnets. This way I can also change polarity of magnets. This tool comes out of box with minimal kit that you can use to wind only one single coil pickup. With this simple tool, you need manually make a winding layout and manually control tension ratio of a wire. Doing this way, a wire lays unevenly, tension is not controlled properly, a wire breaks. That's why I made automatic stretchers for this tool right away. Two stretchers to wind two bobbins at the same time with identical patterns of wire layout. It's of crucial importance for humbuckers. Another thing I did was that I turned a spindle on a lathe and made this mount for humbucker bobbins. To make alignment correct and to avoid rotational bouncing, I made such a tailstock that presses against loaded cartridge of bobbins. Now I received a new detail that is almost a precise copy of tailstock of my lathe. Its tailpiece also rotates with bearing. In the nearest future I will mount it on some slides with eccentric lock, like I have on my big machine tool. And the main part of this tool is automatic layout distributor. It has independent motor with speed control and what's more important, vintage metrics of winding layout. The same as on Lee Sona 102 that was used for pickup winding at Gibson factory in 50s of past century. It's very important part of this tool as a character of a pickup sound strongly depends on it. Moving joints are made of Teflon, so that they move accurately and smoothly. This way a wire comes from bobbin through cover to stretcher, so that it doesn't scatter. Then it goes through brakes, with which I control a wire tension, comes to this shaft that works like a damper and doesn't allow a wire to break even with motor start at a high speed. By its leaning level I can control a wire tension. When a wire goes to layout distributor and only then to pick up bobbin. I don't need to track winding process when everything is tuned. Machine 2 will stop automatically. When I wind single coil pickups, I don't use automatic layout. I do it manually with this device. It goes at layout distributor's place. A wire goes between these felt discs and I do coil layout manually. This option is better for single coils. Though I have metrics for single layout, but my experience shows that manual coil layout makes single coils brighter and clearer. Well, my friends, thank you for watching. I hope this information was relevant and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as in the next video I will show you how I wind a humbucker from the beginning to the end. I'll repeat that videos will come out with 2 languages, Russian and English, so press a bell to stay informed about the videos. Now I say goodbye.
Rock and roll for all.
Сука!